Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make sushi baked tuna. First, gather your ingredients, including sushi rice, nori sheets, and essential seasonings like rice vinegar and sugar. Next, cook your sushi rice according to package directions, then season it while warm. Finally, press the prepared rice firmly into a baking dish, creating a solid base for your delicious sushi bake. Now, let's create the flavorful tuna topping. Drain your canned tuna well, then combine it in a bowl with creamy mayonnaise and a kick of sriracha for a bit of heat. Enhance the flavor with a dash of soy sauce and a few drops of sesame oil. Mix everything together until it's perfectly blended and ready to spread over your rice base. With your tuna mixture ready, it's time to assemble. Carefully spread the tuna topping evenly over the seasoned sushi rice in your baking dish. For extra flavor, you can drizzle a bit of unagi sauce or more sriracha on top. Then, bake your sushi bake in a preheated oven until it's beautifully golden brown and thoroughly heated, usually around 20 minutes. Once your sushi bake is out of the oven, let it cool slightly before cutting it into individual squares or rectangles. Serve these delicious pieces with fresh nori sheets, sliced avocado, and crisp cucumber for a complete experience. It's perfect for sharing or enjoying as a satisfying meal. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.